The first step is to open the Notepad application. To save your file, go to File and click Save As. Save your document somewhere you'll easily be able to locate it. I'll save mine in the Documents folder. Give your work a title ending in .html. Save the document under All Files. We will start our code using the greater than and less than brackets. Inside those brackets, we'll use an exclamation point and the words doctype HTML. We will use the same greater than and less than brackets, and inside those brackets, we just write HTML. We also need closing tags. The closing tag will be the same as the opening tag with a slash in the front. The first thing you'll need inside your HTML code will be a head tag. The head tag will contain important information, but the user will not see it on the web page. Make sure you close your tag. Our title tag will also go inside of the head tag. Let's call it Hour of Code with the AstroBees. Remember to close your tag. We will also put our style sheet inside of our head, which will tell us how to customize our web page. Our next step is to create a body tag. This is the information that will be displayed on your web page. Inside our body tag, let's start with a header. Headers range from H1 through H6, H1 being the largest, H6 being the smallest. For now, we will use H1. We can name our header Hour of Code with the AstroBees. Next, we will be adding an image. To add an image, we use img space src equals with quotation marks. Next, we use alt equals with quotation marks. We will call ours AstroBees and close the tag. Now, let's find an image to use. Open Google and type in UB AstroBees. You'll want to click the first link that says UB's 2020 NASA Suits Team. Scroll down until you see the University of Baltimore AstroBees patch. Save the image. Open the image that you just downloaded in Google Chrome. Copy the URL and paste it in the image source quotation marks you made before. Now we will move on to a paragraph tag. Let's call it Welcome to the University of Baltimore AstroBees Hour of Code. I would also recommend that every once in a while push Ctrl S to save your work. We are now done with our body tag. Make sure all of the necessary tags are closed. At this point, we will go back to our head and find our style sheet. We will begin with the body. Type body and use the curly brackets located above the Enter key. Inside the body, we will assign a background color. To do so, type background-color with a colon. Mine will be dark blue for the AstroBees. And you always need to use a semicolon when finished. Next, we will customize our header 1 tag, also using the curly brackets. I want my header in the center of the page, so I use text align. I also want to change the font color. To do so, I type color with a colon. Next, I would like to change my font weight to bold. We are finished with our H1 tag and can now move on to our paragraph tag. For my paragraph tag, I would also like the text align to be center. I'm also changing the font color to pink. Next, I'd like to customize my image. I don't want my image on the side of the page either, so I will use margin left 40% to center it. To make it look nice, I'm also going to give it a border. The border will be 2 pixels, solid, and the color will be black. At this point, I'll locate my file in my Documents folder and open it in Google Chrome. You have finished making your HTML web page.